So this video is going to focus on trying a natural fiber braiding hair like wool, Brazilian wool that does not have any toxic, because some concerns have been raised about certain types of braiding hair, especially synthetic hair containing chemicals that may not be safe with prolonged use. Here is a breakdown, okay? 1. Many synthetic braiding hairs, especially those made from kanekalon, are coated with chemicals to make them more durable. And those chemicals may lead to cancer, okay? Some users report scalp irritation, itching, or rashes due to those chemicals. Have you ever wondered, after braiding your hair, you start experiencing itchy scalp, you start experiencing some boils on your scalp? And sometimes you may wonder, oh, maybe the fault is from the braider, maybe the hair is too tight, maybe the braider is not professional. But that is not always true. Sometimes these synthetic braiding hairs are not safe because of the chemical. Okay, good. So a few of these substances may release volatile organic compound, VOC, which can irritate the skin or respiratory system. Now, the cancer risk that everyone is talking about, everyone is all over social media, everyone is talking about this cancer risk. There is no direct or widely accepted evidence that braiding hair itself can cause cancer or causes cancer. But however, you guys should listen to me, okay? This video is an alleged video. Some researches has been made. But however, long-term exposure to certain harsh chemicals, so chemicals like formaldehyde, phthalate, or flame retardant in any beauty product, including synthetic hair, has raised concern in scientific studies, particularly in occupational setting. Some of these chemicals are also used in the production of some building materials, adhesives, paper products, and sometimes it can irritate your eyes, your nose, your throat, your skin. Okay, it can cause you some allergies, headache, coughing, and more. Now you want to ask yourself, why would this chemical be used in the production of braiding hair? We need to do better now. We need to do better. Our skin, our hair, our scalp, we need to take care of it, right? Of course. So this is the reason why I'm making this video. You don't have to do this all the time. You don't have to use the synthetic hair all the time. Okay, so we have to bear it in mind that the risk is very low for casual use, but frequent exposure over years, especially with heat and poor ventilation, could potentially raise the risk. Okay, so now you can actually be safe. How to be safe? If at all you're going to use synthetic hair, urge you not to do it frequently. Once or twice every year is fine. If you must use it, please rinse synthetic braiding hair in mix of apple cider vinegar and water before using. This helps to remove some of this chemical. Okay, and of course you can choose high quality flame retardant free brands labeled as non-toxic. There's some brands now that are natural, made with natural fiber. I don't know their name. On Instagram you can search them up, natural fiber braiding hair. It doesn't have to be wool too. And of course, whenever you're using, please rinse it with apple cider vinegar. We have to protect ourselves. We have to protect our young girls, okay? And if you experience any burning, itching, or persistent irritation, please discontinue. Don't use again. Losing your hair. As I'm saying this, I'm also advising myself, because we've been doing it wrong all these years. Yeah. And of course, take care of your own natural hair, guys. Grow your natural hair. Stay away from relaxer. Take care of your hair. This page, I will teach you how to grow your hair and maintain it. Okay. And I'm not saying that I will never use synthetic hair for myself, so that tomorrow now you can see me braiding myself with a synthetic product. Don't come for me. I will definitely take some necessary measures to be safe. You can still be safe. Alright, are you still there? Are you still watching this video? If you've not liked it, this is the perfect time to do so. Make sure you share this video to your friends and family. Okay, because they also need to hear this information and take adequate precaution. Okay, now let's go back to this hair tutorial that I am making right now. This is not even the first time of using yarn braid. I have used it on this channel for more than 5 times. Yes, I love the look it gives me. The yarn braids imitate our natural hair. It gives you that natural look. Maybe that is the reason why I'm in love with it, so I use it quite often. And it is also affordable. You can get this braid at any local store, Amazon, Walmart. It's very affordable, and you can make this thing on yourself following what you're seeing. It's very easy to make, right? It's very easy to make. Now let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Share with us down the comment section below. Make sure you like this video. Thank you for joining. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for subscribing. All right, I would like you to enjoy the rest of the video and see how these braids look on me. It's so pretty. Now we're almost there. Look at what is remaining. It's remaining about 3 more. Oh, 2 more now. We're almost there. And I would like you guys to see the final look. So keep on watching, okay? I appreciate you a lot. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate you a lot. So you guys watching this video, I appreciate you a lot. Fire! This is beautiful. Very short look, but I don't think this is bad. It's not bad at all. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm done dipping it inside hot water. Look at the way it's looking good. You might decide to just leave it as it is because some people prefer it this way, you know. This is my hair, guys. Afterward, hot water therapy.